Good morning to all. Welcome to AS tutorial. So last session we have discussed about tenses. So tense is mainly three type of: present tense, past tense, and future tense. But future tense is known as future time. So every tenses or each tenses have four forms: present, simple, like simple, progressive, continuous, progressive or one, continuous, perfect, then perfect progressive. So tense basis or tense related questions today we will discuss. So here this is your speed test. So look at the first questions. In the sentences given below, there are errors regarding the tense form. Replace them with the correct option. वाक्य रे केदिरे एरर अछि, एरर अछि टेंस रे जारा एरर मींस भूल अछि, केदिरे टेंस फॉर्म रे भूल अछि, गलत अछि, तो हमको करमा we have to replace them with the correct option. So question 1, the earth is revolving around the sun. The earth is revolving around the sun. सूर्य चारिपटे किए घुरुजे? पृथ्वी. बा पृथ्वी सूर्य चारिपटे घुरु अछि. So here is truth. We know this is universal truth. But who can say the sentence is in which form? Revolving means, look at the present continuous. Verb plus ing means present continuous. So here, but in case of universal truth, always use the simple present. In case universal truth, or if universal truth, then use simple present. Simple present. So tell me which option is right?
D.
Option A or D?
D.
Why? Why A is right option? Because here earth is a non-living thing. In case non-living thing, you use the verb one or V1 form. So our answer कहाँ है बात? A. So your answer is the earth revolves around the sun. Clear? Next देखो number 2. We lived in these apartments since 1995. We lived in these apartments since 1995. आम्भे माने रहिलो एही अपार्टमेंट गुडा करे बा कॉलोनी गुडा करे सिंस 1995. केबेठु रे आसुजु 1995 मसिया. सो द सेंटेंस इज इन व्हिच फॉर्म? हु कैन से? द सेंटेंस इज हियर नोटेड पॉइंट सिंस ठारो केबेठु 1995 मसिया. If you note the sentence since or for. Since or for always use the present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. You know present perfect continuous form is has been or have been. Has been or have been plus verb in the PP form. Sorry, verb plus ing form. Verb plus ing. Ini apa kata? Ini kanan aja nomor. Look at the verb lift. Rohilu. So lift है बा? Lift है ना? Simple past. बुझे ना? So you have to replace in place of lift. You have to replace the has been or have been. So which is your right answer? C. we have been living in these apartments since 1995. Clear? Clear? Next देखो. My friend Rahul makes a documentary film on snacks these days. मोर सांग राहुल गोटे डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म तैयारी करछन्ते कहा ऊपर साप ऊपर. These days means आजकल. These days means nowadays. Nowadays means आजकल. So the sentence is in the form of present continuous. और सांग राहुल का करछन साप ऊपर गोटे डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म तैयारी करछन. माने करछन माने कना वर्तमान चली जे ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड. बुझे Here the sentence is not at the time of your speaking. तमर कहबार समय रे न सपोज जति तमे खाउ जे मको आई एम मीटिंग माने कना मु खाउ अछि तर तमे जेते कहू जो सेते नहीं से काम करू जो किंतु राहुल का सेते कोन जे हेंता नै किंतु वर्तमान का समय काल ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड. बुझे ना. So here your present continuous form is appropriate. So which option is correct? B. My friend Rahul is making a documentary film on snacks. बुझे ना. Clear? Next. I will stay at my sister's place when I will go to Simla. मो भौणी साथी रे रहिबी जेबे बा जते बेले मु शिमला को जीबे. So here in this sentence you can find two clauses, main clause and subordinate clause. So here I will stay at my sister's place is main clause. This one is main clause. And this one is subordinate clause. So, if in main clause the verb is there, so always subordinate clause should be or must be in the form of present simple or simple present. So, if verb is in main clause, then always subordinate clause simple present. So tell me which option is your answer? Go, goes, am going or will be go. The sentence is in the form of future. I will stay at my sister's place. मो भौणी रो स्थान रे रहिबी when I will go to Simla. So your subordinate clause will be changed. So your right answer is go or goes. Go because I is the first person singular. So I will stay at my sister's place when I will go to Simla. Next. Anjali did not yet complete her project report. Anjali did not yet complete her project report. So who can say the sentence is in which form? Did not. Kola nahi. Anjali a पर्यंत yet. Here yet is used. Yet means still now এ পর্যন্ত অঞ্জলি এ পর্যন্ত প্রজেক্ট রিপোর্টটি কমপ্লিট করি নাহি so the sentence is in the form of present perfect so who can say present perfect form is has have plus var plus not I your verb is pp form past participle form so here which is your right answer has not completed has or have plus verb and verb is in the auxiliary form or past participle form so Anjali has not completed her project report yet Anjali e porjonto tar project report ti ko sampurna kori nahi bujhila next dekho the new art gallery has been inaugurated yesterday the new art gallery has been inaugurated yesterday new art gallery ta গতকালে inaugurated বা উদ্ঘাটিত হই যাই আছে বুঝলেন so if you can notice so find the sentence is right because the function of art gallery inauguration is almost completed that's why but here has been means present perfect continuous but in this sentence yesterday the word this one is adverb yesterday is adverb yesterday is used in this sentence so yesterday means near past yesterday बोलेगा ना near past खाली क्या गतकाली को ना एवे बेकार को है ना so in case near past your sentence is always or must be in the form of simple past so बोले तमर जदी कना near past दिबा तो simple past में और sentence टा रहबा so which is your right answer watch कना watch तो कना simple past so your answer is the new art gallery was inaugurated yesterday the new art gallery was inaugurated yesterday बुझला next